Hi there, welcome back to the channel. This is Sohail with you today with a brand new video. I am currently at the Gatwick North Terminal short stay car park on the ground floor. I am recording this video on the 14th of August 2024, and as you can see, you can park your bikes here on the ground floor. There are bays dedicated for the motorbikes. Stay with me and I'll explore a little bit more.
So this is where you come in from, into the car park. You usually follow this route and come around there and just in, and then you can make your way into this area. You can see people coming from the terminal building. You come out, and this is the short stay car park. And after my flight, I'm just walking towards the bike, and you can see the bikes over there. Hopefully mine is still there. Find out my bike under red and black cover, and there we go. That's where we parked it. It's all locked up, still here, in good shape. Fantastic. Hope underneath the covers everything is good too. So there we are. So this is the Gatwick South car park, and you can see we're just behind the exit here. So this is the ground floor of the Gatwick South car park short stay, and you can see there's many bikes, all free parking, and there might be parking on the upper floors. I'll have a quick look and see. There is plenty of parking here. I mean, you can see the parking all the way from here all the way to the end, really. You can fit in many bikes here. So last time when I parked here, this space here was all full. Pretty much was all full, but it seems to be fairly, I mean, there's still parking. So yeah. So this is the ground floor. I'm just going to go up to the one floor up and have a look. This says car park 5. I don't know, that is a short stay car park anyway. So I've just got to the first floor now, and I can see the end row doesn't have any parking for the bikes. So have a little closer look and see what's going on. Well, this row here is directly above the one on the ground floor, so no parking for the bikes here. I'll just have a quick whiz on the other sides to see if they're not tucked somewhere. No, doesn't look like it. So it looks like on the short stay car park ground level is the only place where you can park the bikes, but if anybody finds the information otherwise, so let us know in the comments. All is looking good under the cover. Bike started, and yeah, everything is functional, everything is attached, so good to go, I guess. Yeah.